Hello, welcome to my blog website. In this video, I am going to explain in details the step-by-step process or methods about how you can download Windows 10 on your computer or desktop or laptop. So, please don't skip the video and follow the process entirely because if you miss any point of this video, you will face error when you proceed further. So the first step is very easy and it's for those who have Windows 10 on their PC. And Windows 10 on their PC means their Windows 10 is not working properly, or they are facing lagging problems, these and that, etc. So how they can reinstall Windows 10 on their computer, so I'm going to show that. So for doing this, you have to come to the search bar and type reset this PC, or simply type reset. So here you can see I have got the option and just enter into it, and here you can see an option that tells us reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. Okay, so just simply click on get started, and here you can see two options, that keep my files and remove everything. Only if you keep files, then all your apps and settings will be totally cleaned, but your personal files will remain as it is. But if you click on remove anything, then all your personal files and apps will totally be gone, deleted. So if you want to go on remove everything, then I will recommend you that if you have any important files that you do not want to lose, then keep it on your pen drive, or you have a separate disk partition on your laptop or desktop, then keep there. Only your C drive will be formatted, and other disk partitions will be remain as it is. So I will recommend you to go on remove everything. So just simply click on remove everything, and it will get things ready for you. And there you can see another two options, that how would you like to reinstall Windows, cloud download or local reinstall. So cloud download means it will download from another place and then it will reinstall Windows, and it requires also 4 GB of data. That means it will download an ISO file from official Microsoft website, I think, and it will download it and install it on your computer. But if you do local install, it will only reinstall Windows from your device, the setup, that ISO which are embedded in your system, it will install that. From there it will install the Windows. So I'll recommend you to go on local reinstall. And now here you can see all the settings that you have taken. That the first option you have taken, that you remove everything or keep files. The second one, delete all files from your Windows drive. Only see, there is an option, it says Windows drive. That means there's only C drive are getting formatted. You have to take no tension about the separate disk partitions if you have, and then it will reinstall Windows from this device. So this is the first process of for those who have Windows 10 on your laptop. And now the second one, which I am going to tell, that you have to go to another processes which I am going to tell, that you have to go to browser and type Windows 10, and it will and on the first link you can see download Windows 10 disk image ISO. Just simply click on that, and here you can see the three options. There are three, not actually two options, but those who are having Windows 7 or Windows XP or Vista, they will have only one option, that is only downloading Windows ISO file. Only that option they will get. But for those who have Windows 7 or Windows 10, they have these two options, or rather than those who have Windows 7, they will have the three options. So in my case I have only two options. So the first option is update now. This is for those who have Windows 10 but their version is not latest. That's like 1503 version or 1709 or 1909 or 20H2. So they can use this option and can go to the latest version. Now we have now the latest version is 22H2, but I don't think that some major changes happened in this version, because the version which I am using in my PC is 22H2, but I have not seen any major change. The Microsoft has done only the means upgraded the OS build. That the previous build I have in my 21H2 version is 19044.1870 something, and now the Windows 10 the latest version is I think I have 19045.2210. the OS build is have now, but no major change, simply as it is that in 21 is to same there is in 22 is to nothing changed, but only the OS build is gone upgraded. So that's and same goes for Windows 11. 22 is to version is also released for Windows 11 also, but I haven't used that because there's lot of bug fixes and something. So keeping that aside, there is a two option you can see. First, if you want to update now, just simply click on update now and you will get an update assistant. Here you can see the update assistant will get download. Just here simply click on it and click yes. Then a page will appear. Here you can see it will updating, checking for update, and here you can see I have got the message that thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows, since I have, as I told you, that I have using the latest version. So he has sent me the message, but if you have the old version, then it will tell you to update. And now the second step, the main step actually, is create Windows 10 installation media. That means if you are installing install a fresh copy of Windows 10, or you want to boot through USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file to Windows 10 on your different PC, or not for your PC, or for your PC also, you can use this method. So simply click on download tool now. It will download a media creation tool, as you can see. So that's done, and just simply click on media creation tool, open it, and here you can see the message appears, and the page will appear in front of us. And here you can see the page has appeared, and it telling us getting a few things ready. It's taking time. So here it telling me to accept the license agreement. If you want, if you can read, but I will not read. Go for it. Simply click on accept. So here you can see there is the two option comes up. What do you want to do? And first option is upgrade this PC now, or second option create installation media. So I'm talking about the first option. The first option is saying that upgrade this PC now. That means you have no need of USB flash drive or DVD. It will simply download the ISO and simply create a Windows 10 installation media on your C drive, and from there it will get that ISO ready for installation in your PC. So if you click on it, you have nothing to do with this. Just simply click download and install the media on your computer. Then on the C drive you will get a ESD file, and from there you simply click on it and you get a Windows folder, and simply click on Windows folder, and from there you get a setup exe file. So from there just click on run the setup exe file. You will get again the license agreements and something, and you will get the Windows 10 ready for your PC, and just simply click on it. Will take a restart, and fully it will install the Windows 10 on your computer. And this is the way. And the second process is the second process is that create installation media. And for this case you need a USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC, for separate PC which you want. If you not want to install on your PC, you can want to install it for another PC, then you can go for this option and simply click on next. and here you can select the language architecture edition, but it automatically set by default. But if you want to change, you can see there's an option, use the recommended option for this PC, and there's a tick option in the checkbox. Just simply uncheck it, and here from there you can now select change the option. You can select change the language, English, United States, or whatever your language, but I go for English. And Windows 10 to same, but here the architecture, there is two architecture, 32-bit and 64-bit, or both. If you want to install, you can install both, but there's a basic difference between a 32-bit and a 64-bit. For 32-bit, it will only supports up to 4 GB RAM. So if you want, if you add additional RAM on a 32-bit operating system, then it will only show 4 GB RAM. It will not show more than RAM, because it only supports 4 GB RAM, nothing more than. But if you have a 64-bit operating system, so the 64-bit operating system, it can support more and more RAM, how much you want. If you have 8 GB RAM, and if you have added another 8 GB RAM, that means 16 GB, it will show up on your PC. So it supports more and more RAM, and it is very good for us. So this is the basic difference between a 32-bit and a 64-bit operating system. So that is the basic difference, and I will going to keep it by default, and just simply click on next. And here you can see there's an option, how do you choose which media to use, that USB flash drive or ISO file. So of the first option is that is a USB flash drive. You need at least 8 GB of USB flash drive, or otherwise you will not, it will not, that otherwise it will the Windows 10 will not get created, the media will not get created on your flash drive. And the second one is ISO file. You will download a separate ISO file, and then it create it bootable by another program, that is Rufus program or something, Win setup program you can use. So here's the two options which you can see, but if you go on ISO file, it will separately download the ISO file. So this is the process which you can install Windows. Since I have already installed Windows 10 on my laptop, I will not going to install it rather again. So that's it. In this way you can install Windows 10 on your computer. If you face any issues, you can contact me or email me. I am there to help with you. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.